I'm not sure if we are live yet. Just give me a second just to confirm.
Mm-hmm.
I am having a bit of a problem. I've got this on as going live, but it's not looking like it's actually live on YouTube. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I'm so sorry about this.
Sure, no problem.
No, I think we are live. It says that we are live, so let's just act as if we are live, and then if not, we'll try and make a plan. So welcome. Thank you so much for joining, Moha. What's your real name, please? Let's start with that.
Means and I present broker. Yeah, I'm excited to participate with you.
Thank you so much for joining. We have decided to choose why gold is collateral. So why do you think that is, Moha? What's the impact on the, what's the reason for central banks moving to gold?
I think probably one of the reasons in my mind is volatility that gold offers or carries during the uncertainty that we have all been sort of observing during the last couple of months. So that's the general that has led actually to the general idea of gold being sort of say, not only traders but also individual investors or let's say banks and even government. So that is, I think, gold has been perceived as a safe haven for them to stick to. What do you think?
I think that we always want to run our economy on hard money. In an environment of fiat currency and a debt-based monetary system, it invariably leads to this kind of thing where there's too much money for the amount of goods and services, and our debt becomes unsustainable. So I think that we are moving towards an environment again of basing our economy on hard money instead of fiat currency.
So this is gone, and I did not see it on the.
I actually am seeing it on YouTube. I will send you the link at the moment. YouTube link you on WhatsApp.
Cool. Great. So yeah, let's go ahead. Please.
Yeah, okay. So I wanted to ask you, being on a company like yours, how do you see like the volume of the trades happening? Are there more trades about the same as previously?
Yeah, considering the basic high volatility that gold um, has been showing, um, more and more traders are seen to be in making trade and trading. So historically, past uh, gold was not what actually it is now, and I see that a lot of traders um, stick to, and even the interesting point is that they even either consider the spread that is that exists because um, uh, so so the spread for gold because its high volatility is very marginal um, decisions basically because it first higher rewards. Actually, this should not live as let's say one road that also offers from the risk. So in need their um, uh, the number of individual retail in additional basically.
Okay, great. What's the spread of gold on your platform?
Um, things on the traders outline with trade as well as one and one spread one the spread for gold. So again, I must emphasize that a personal and small spread because high gold offers.
Okay, good. Why do you think the price of gold is falling now? If we think that the war is accelerating, if away and selling the US Treasury stocks, why do you think the price of gold is still falling? Shouldn't it be going up?
Yeah, theoretically, as you said, as it should go up. Actually, only driven by say theory, um, heavily driven by emotion, and let a uncertainty so when um, prices up and down and fluctuate all the time, we see that how the collective switching between whether to keep gold or buy gold. So, uh, so and it is partly related to the uh, also the political tensions we um, that's what
Okay, if people are trading gold on your platform, are they trading the spot price of physical gold or getting your feed from the futures market?
I think the sort of question: are they trading the spot price or
The spot price of physical gold or the price of the futures market in gold?
yeah, but the spot price of the
Okay, so you're not getting your price feed from any futures market. You're getting it from like a physical gold exchange.
yeah traded at the liquidity providers in the market.
Okay, great. So, moving from gold, let's talk a bit about your company. Can you give us a little bit of background on how you guys operate and why people should choose NumH? How do you pronounce it, firstly?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for the question. Basically, in terms of a history and background, a lot and background or some years of experience you, that we can put to the standards of those who have the market for a long time. Our company is in office in Hong Kong, and office Cook in headquarters of um, uh, thing that do traders say issues or not global. It is that if you ask other course um, the most actually sort of quoting management thought. We have a vision to come among top group next year. So we are not to show that not being ones are better to high quality traders. Uh, that's one answer in a broader perspective, but our services have a lot of retail traders have difficulty opening an account, mainly because of the capital. So some people in developing countries quite hard to deposit that first $100 or dollars. So that we have accounts starting from and not difficult and the with probably like a couple of thousand. There is something else that's important for them. That is the mission or the spread on foreign assets of over 20 of of our platform. So they have a wide of. We also in the year demo, and so it's a competition among traders with who have do not have any money. And so participate in the competition, and let's say in the three or the first five winners will get amount or uh, um, that um, can be can some more I would for the
Okay, well, we heard Jess, I think, from your company join us, but then invite him along again. Please do so. But thanks for all of that. From what I gather, well, yes, Jess. Now let's bring him online. Hello, Jess.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
You also part of NAMH Global?
Yes.
Do you mind just introducing yourself to the viewers?
All right. My name is Jazz. I'm actually from the Philippines, but based here in Dubai. So I have over 10 years experience in this industry. So I'm currently working at Nama Global as a head of business development. I'm working with Nama with Moha as well. Yeah, that's it.
You guys both do the same kind of work, business development, getting new IBs to sign up
Ye-
and introduce new clients to you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so if an IB would want to join you guys, what's the benefit for them? Why should people that are interested in trading join
All right.
you to introduce new traders?
Actually, what's your name again, bro?
Harun. It's Harun.
Sardon. Sorry,
Harun.
sorry.
Harun, like
Harun.
Harun, correct.
Yeah, Haron. All right, there's a lot of things that Nama Global can offer. We have a fixed spreads where other brokers will not offer, and we give also competitive rebate structures to our IBs, not only to our IBs but also to our master IBs. We have the hybrid agreement or partnership. Like they will gonna get a rebate structure and also a CPA, like a cost per action. And the good thing here at Nama Global, we don't actually, we don't hold the withdrawals of our clients, even that our clients do the abuse on their trades. Still, we give the withdrawals to our clients because we don't want to ruin the good name we have. And we also give an offer to our IBs, especially for their clients, the training program, the 8 session training program from basic to professional levels.
How are those training programs delivered? Is it like a course that you have to go through, or is it live interactive sessions like we're having now?
It's actually a webinar. Like it's we're using Google Meet, sometimes it's Zoom meeting like that. So it's a weekly uh session.
Are these sessions free to attend, or must you pay like a extra amount to be able to participate?
It's a free of charge, and the good thing here, if the clients already just registered, we can give the losable bonus of 25%, maximum of 500 US dollar on their first deposit.
Is this a withdrawal deposit, or can you only trade with this bonus?
Actually, on their first deposit, we give 25%.
Okay, and that 25%, can you withdraw it, or can you only use it for trading purposes?
They can use it, and whatever profit they're making, they can withdraw all. It's a losable bonus.
Okay, I see. Very interesting. Good for first-time traders to try it out and participate.
Yes.
Okay, that's wonderful. Can you tell me anything else about trading with you guys? Why do you think it's important for you to become number one? Why do you want to become number one?
It's
I can go ahead and
Please go
yeah,
ahead.
our internet
yeah,
is not
I
stable.
think yeah. Um, so becoming number one is one thing, I guess, in this market. I mean, among brokers, but going through that way, facing all the challenges, um, finding out the need for the trader is all a different story. So this is, we believe that this is the what makes us
Mm.
and actually helps us and offer the services that our clients deserve. So if you are, let's imagine if top number one in one thing, probably you are very unlikely to think of finding a better version of yourself. But if you're in the second, you make a constant effort to get that. So we constantly ask our clients for their feedback um, through say email, direct contacting. We ask our RBs what they need and the thing that they have in mind. We are so um, so it create a flow basically of us. Sorry, my legs are passing by. This create a flow of let's say question and answer. So they it starts with uh, answer number one. Um, um, I think it's a human.
Okay, well, that's wonderful. In addition to doing these kind of webinars that your IBs like you do, what other kind of support do you provide for IBs to get new clients in?
Say that uh, in regions require probably studies or the invitees required. So that's why, for instance, IBs, let's say in like a country, ask for different payment gateway, basically. So this is an issue that we can find to an IB. And so if the IB gets that problem solved, his or her sub IBs will follow the guy, and they will continue using our services. So an IB in let's say Africa might not face this problem, so they um, so an IB may not be you or the this knowledge of macroeconomic in the market. So they might educate, for instance, what are the factors, let's say a USD pair. So he is an IB, he's going to own. So, but he may not be able to answer such questions. So we provide for them as well. These are a couple of examples I could give regarding question.
No,
Can I
that's
add something?
fantastic. Please go ahead.
Yeah, can I answer on your first questions? Why do we the, the question that you the number one question? Why
Do you
do
remember what it was?
why do we want to become number one?
Yes.
Am I correct? Anyway, we don't aim to become number one simply for recognition or market share. Our goal is to become a trusted global leader in the forex industry by delivering exceptional value to our clients and partners and communities. We want to be recognized for our commitment to transparency, innovations, educations, and client success. Being number one means setting higher standards for service, building long-term relationship, empowering traders through education, and creating opportunities in every region where we operate. At Nama Global, our vision is not just to grow as a company, but to become a brand that traders, investors, and business partners trust worldwide. So we believe that by focusing on client satisfaction, strong partnership, continuous innovation, and professional excellence, market leadership will naturally follow. So our mission is to make global financial markets more accessible, provide worldwide class trading solutions, and help our clients achieve their financial goals. We, you know, we build a globally respected brand that sets the standards for excellence in financial markets. And for what we can support to our IB, at Nama Global, we believe that our success is differently connected to the success of our introducing brokers, or shall we say IB. To help our partners grow their business effectively, we provide comprehensive support tailored to their respective regions. First is dedicated account manager. We are giving a personal relationship manager, which is, for example, Moha is the personal relationship manager. We have a fast response to inquiries and operational support, assistance with client onboarding and retention. Now, if we're talking about marketing and support, we customize the marketing materials, we localize banners and promotional campaigns, social media content and branding assistance, landing pages, and lead generation support. We also give educational support, which we conducted webinars and seminars every week, trading education programs, market analysis and research materials, which we given every day, training session for IB teams. So we also, we have also a business development support where strategic growth planning is there, regional expansion guidance, partnership development opportunities, and client acquisition strategies. We also give a competitive partnership program where attractive rebate and commission structures are there, performance-based incentives, regional promotional campaigns, loyalty and reward programs. And if we're talking about operational support, well, at Nama Global, we have a fast accounting opening process, multilingual customer services, deposits and withdrawal assistance, technical and platform support, and the last one is the long-term partnership development, because we wanted to have a continuous business reviews, consultations, expansion planning, sustainable partnership strategies. So our objectives, Haran, is not only to onboard IBs, but to help them build a sustainable and profitable business with Nama Global for the long term.
That sounds wonderful. Are there any countries where you're not operating in, where you don't accept clients from?
Normally, Canada and US, we don't accept. Iran as well. The risky countries we don't accept.
Moha, you are
Sorry, guys.
Iranian, but you don't accept Iranian clients. Oh, sorry, I thought you were Iranian. Okay. And you guys operate here in South Africa and the rest of the African countries?
Yes, we already have a team in South Africa, Nigeria, Cameroon, and soon in Ghana and uh, what are the Moha, what are the other South African regions do we have? Glory, Cameroon as well, and Ghana. Yeah.
My final question for you guys today is what regulations do you guys work under?
All right. Recently, we just got our CMA regulations. This is under United Arab Emirates, and we also have an offshore regulations, which is under Saint Lucia.
So those are the primary regulations you have, St. Lucia and in the Emirates.
Yes, the
Are you thinking
CMA,
of
the
getting any
capital
more, especially
and our
the
FSA
South African one, the FSCA?
FSA is on process right now, and also the SISEC.
Okay, brilliant. Well, thank you so much for taking time to speak to me, both Moha and Jess. I really appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to having you on stream again so we can talk some more and learning more about your guys' company and how we can work together.
Because yeah, I look forward to to speak with you again and to speak in the public. Actually, I already prepared the PowerPoint where I'm going to discuss. I thought that it's a webinar.
No, if you want to, do you want to discuss something? Do you want to present
I
something from your
can,
PowerPoint?
yeah, because I already I prepared the title that we have right now, the rising role of gold as an alternative to U.S. Treasury. But unfortunately, if you observe that I have an unstable internet connection, or can we do it by tomorrow? At least I can go to our other office.
Yeah, sure. Let's schedule another time. Maybe not tomorrow because I've got some things on, but
All
yeah,
right.
definitely. Let's do this again, and
Yeah, we can
we can
discuss
have
about
a.
the rising role of gold as an alternative to U.S. treasuries.
That sounds wonderful. Let's do that, Jess. Let's continue this conversation within the week, if not tomorrow, and let's see what you have to present. I'd love that.
Sure, sure. So thank you so much, Sharon, for inviting us.
Jess, thank you very much, and speak to you soon. Bye.
Yeah, sure. Bye.